Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best splash pad is probably one of the most exciting and refreshing additions to any backyard during the hot summer months, offering endless fun and a cool escape for kids and adults alike. Imagine the joy on your children's faces as they run through sprinklers, giggle under gentle fountains, and create lasting memories right in your own home. This isn't just a toy, it's an investment in family bonding, outdoor activity, and a way to beat the heat while encouraging active play away from screens. It transforms your yard into a personal water park, providing a safe and engaging environment for everyone to enjoy. Number 5. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad and Sprinkler for Kids. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure. This innovative splash pad makes learning easy and enjoyable for your little one. Beat the heat with this refreshing inflatable pool. Watch your child have endless fun splashing under the cool water sprinklers. Designed with your child's safety in mind, this shallow wading pool is BPA and phthalates free. Enjoy peace of mind while they play. We believe in the power of play for development. This product offers both educational fun and outdoor play in one amazing pool. As a parent-focused company, we prioritize safety and quality. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer care team is here to help. What we like? This one is designed for learning through play. If you are looking for a way to keep your little one entertained while also engaging their mind, this is a great choice. It's perfect for parents who want their toddlers to have fun and learn simultaneously. What people say. The bottom of the pad filled with water, enough for some rubber duckies to float around, and get some cups to play and stuff. You can adjust the water height with the hose and the shallow mat stays cool when in use. It was the perfect size for the small kids 2 to 5. Number 4. SplashEZ Non-Slip Splash Pad. Say goodbye to slips and falls. Our non-slip surface keeps your little ones and furry friends safe while they splash and play. It's a pawsome sprinkler pool for endless fun. This is the ultimate summer toy for everyone, including your furry friends. With its durable materials and unique design, everyone will be wagging their tails with excitement. With a spacious 69-inch surface area, it's big enough for the whole family to splash around. Get ready for endless hours of fun in the sun. Keep your kids and dogs cool and safe with its shallow wading design and anti-slip surface. Plus, it's BPA and phthalates free, so you can have fun without any worries. We're committed to providing top-notch service. If you're not satisfied, contact our friendly team for a solution. What we like? This option prioritizes safety with its non-slip surface. If you have both kids and pets and want a spacious area for everyone to cool down together, this is the one to consider. It's ideal for families with active children and dogs who love to play. What people say. The bottom of the pad filled with water, enough for some rubber duckies to float around, and get some cups to play and stuff. You can adjust the water height with the hose and the shallow mat stays cool when in use. It was the perfect size for the small kids 2 to 5. Number 3. 2-in-1 Dog Pool and Splash Pad W79XH12. Introducing a perfect blend of a pool and a splash pad, designed for endless summer enjoyment. Easily connect a hose and watch the fun begin on any flat outdoor surface. Crafted with thickened PVC and a robust hard plastic shell, this pool is built for durability. It's designed to withstand playful pets and provide lasting fun. Featuring an anti-slip texture, it ensures safe play for children, allowing them to run and splash without worry. Create your own family water park for hours of fun. With dual drains, cleaning and water changes are a breeze. You can even repurpose the water for your garden, making it an eco-friendly choice. Set up or fold away in minutes thanks to its convenient foldable design. It's perfect for taking to the beach or storing compactly at home. Escape the summer heat and create lasting memories with your kids and pets. It's the ideal way to enjoy cool, refreshing water play together. What we like? This product offers a sturdy, dual-purpose design combining a pool and splash pad. If you need a durable option that can withstand rough play from kids and dogs, and you value easy cleaning, this is a strong contender. It's perfect for those seeking a long-lasting and practical water play solution. What people say. The material is super durable and holds up much better than regular kiddie pools. It's easy to set up, doesn't puncture easily, and my kids have a blast splashing around in it. The size is perfect for my big 2- and 3-year-olds. It seems really sturdy and the dark bottom helps the water to heat up. Number 2. COMMOUDS Splash Pad 59-inch. Introducing a splash pad designed for ultimate summer fun. Its non-slip texture ensures safer play for toddlers, kids, and pets, allowing worry-free splashing. Crafted from extra-thick, durable PVC, this pad is built to withstand energetic play. Reinforced seams and edges prevent leaks, ensuring long-lasting enjoyment. The innovative bottom inlet design prevents bursting and leaks, while the curved coupler keeps hoses flat and out of the way. Enjoy a safer play environment. Setting up is a breeze, just connect your garden hose. You can easily adjust the water pressure to control the spray height for the perfect splash. This splash pad is the perfect addition to your backyard, offering a cool escape for kids and pets. Create joyful memories and enjoy refreshing outdoor play together. What we like. Durability is the main highlight here, with thickened PVC and reinforced seams. If you're concerned about wear and tear from enthusiastic play or pet claws, this is an excellent choice. It's designed for families who want a robust splash pad that can handle frequent use. What people say. Setup was super easy, just connect the hose and you're good to go. The water pressure creates a fun spray that keeps dogs cool and entertained for hours. The material feels durable and holds up well, even with energetic play. It's a great size too, big enough for multiple dogs to enjoy at once without feeling crowded. The splash pad is surprisingly good material, not flimsy or too plastic. The outside ring fills up first, then the height of the spray can be adjusted. Number 1. Intex Gator Inflatable Kiddie Pool. Get ready for endless summer adventures with this fun inflatable kiddie pool. It's designed for maximum enjoyment and easy setup for your little ones. This pool isn't just for splashing, it features a thrilling slide with a soft landing, built-in sprinklers, and even a fun bucket and flow tie. It's a complete water play center. Simply attach your garden hose to the built-in water sprayer for continuous, refreshing fun. Backyard play has never been so exciting and easy to manage. Crafted from durable PVC, this pool is made to withstand countless hours of play, ensuring it lasts for many summers to come. Enjoy reliable fun season after season. It holds up to 42 gallons of water and supports up to 120 pounds, making it ideal for children aged 2 and up. Its generous size provides plenty of room for splashing and playing. Designed with safety and engagement in mind, this pool offers a secure and entertaining environment for your children. Watch them have a blast with all the exciting features. What we like. This inflatable option brings a whole new level of fun with its integrated slide and accessories. If you're looking for an all-in-one water play center that offers multiple activities, this is the one. It's perfect for creating an exciting backyard water park experience for kids aged 2 and up. What people say. The splash pad is easy to set up and provides hours of fun for kids. It's durable and holds up well to regular use. The water spray is adjustable, allowing for different spray patterns and heights. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.